guys, welcome back to Position Well. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas with your family and friends. I know that I did. And if you're like me, you probably have gained a few extra pounds, or two or three or four or five or more during this holiday season. What I'm going to be doing today in this video is an after Christmas cleanup and really restoring my home back to its clean state, and then removing all of our Christmas decor. And I like to think of this as the prelude to spring cleaning, because this is your chance to go ahead and hit some of those areas that you're going to hit naturally in spring cleaning, so it won't be as tough when that time comes. I had several appointments, so I went and got my hair colored, I went and got my nails done, and I would just like to tell you all that if you're able, try to go into 2024 taking some self-care and including that in your regimen. And then the other thing that I'm going to need to do in 2024 is lose the weight that I gained during the holidays, because it was quite substantial. I don't know what it is about the mid-40s, but the body just does not regulate like it used to. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start the Christmas cleanup.
purpose, I hate the fact we ain't talking. But anything that you need, dog, I got you, I mean that. All this pressure make it hard not to relapse. Build up aggression, make it hard to relapse. Baby, ain't no way that I'ma lead that. My dogs need hope, step it up, I gotta be that. Cause life's so crazy, oh, it been through. I'ma love you way before I gotta miss you. Hold this mama by my side, give her some tissue. We were just a hood, baby, with some issues. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time in the hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had to hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had to hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had to hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through.
Hey guys, now is a great time to go ahead and subscribe to Position Well. And also don't forget to hit your notification bell so that you'll know every time I release a new video. These things just help YouTube to know that our small channel is working just as hard as the large channels and that you like the content. Now, back to your video.